वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है मैशनल में। हम हमारे एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन में या एंड्रॉयड डिवाइस में मैनी एप्लीकेशंस एक साथ ओपन करके उनको एक साथ रन कर सकते हैं और उन पे काम कर सकते हैं। बट वी कांट ऑपरेट टू एप्लीकेशंस, टू एप्स एट अ टाइम। वी हैव टू स्विच इफ वी वांट टू वर्क ऑन द अनदर ऐप, वी हैव टू स्विच फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन टू अनदर. So in this video we will see how we can do it, how we can operate, how we can interact with multi applications, like two or more than two applications at the same time. There are various apps for this trick is available on the Play Store. Today we will see the very easy, very simple to use two applications for the same subject. First is multitasking, second is floating apps. First, to download these apps, go to Play Store in your phone, type multitasking window for Android. On the top two you will see, first is the multitasking by AurionCrop, second is the floating app free. These are the two popular multitasking applications through which we can we can interact with the multi apps. First, let's suppose we will go through the multitasking application. I have already installed this application in my phone. Just you have to install it and open it. After the installation, this window will open when you open this app. Here in the top right corner, you will see an icon of play. At this time, it is in the stop mode. When you click on that icon, it will start this application. Here you will see in the general menu, start at boot. If you select, whenever you boot your phone, you restart your phone, it will automatically start. Self management, use built-in tools to open media files. Vibrate, if you want that whenever you click on the activation area, the screen, your phone will vibrate. Here, so there are various options you can set according to your need. So in the left hand side, when you drag from the left hand side, there are the listed applications. By default in the multitasking there are various listed applications like music player, map, gallery, file explorer, camera, calendar and browser, YouTube, Gmail. In these apps there is one limitation, that you can't open and run your already installed apps in your mobile through this application, through this multitasking app. Otherwise you can open it. Jैसे let's suppose I have to open in this, there is no Facebook, but you can open Facebook except these applications. Like suppose for example I am opening here browser. Just click on the browser. It will open in a window. You can resize it on the right hand side and bottom. Just drag it. You can resize it according to your need. Here you can access your browser completely. In similar way, if you want to open gallery or map, if you want to open music player, you can just click on the music player. Music player window will be open. In this way you can open any app which is already listed in this application. Second thing, just you want to hide this, just click on here 3 dot and click on this hide. The application will be hide. If you want to, in this menu there are various options. If you want to save the particular location for this window, if you want to save the size for this browser app, it will be this the by default app size. If you save the size, if you want to maximize it in your complete window, just click on the maximize, then it will be maximized. And if you want to quit, you can quit by this quit button, and you can also click on this close button here, close this. The sidebar position is on the left side, means you have to drag from the left side. If you want to change it, want to do is from the right side, just here sidebar option is given. आप इसको राइट सेलेक्ट करके भी This means at this time you will have to drag from the right side. Okay, this way you can open your app. Second app is a floating app. Just go to Play Store. Here is the second app, floating app, free. Just click on it, install it and download it. I have already downloaded it. Just I am opening directly floating apps. According to me, I have used these both applications. Floating app is the much more easier than the first one. In this, when you open this application, click on this application. Here there are more options, more apps than the first one in multitasking app. Here you will see YouTube. Just click on the YouTube. One window will open. Here you can again resize it by dragging its tail. Go to application. If you want to music player, Google, if you want to open Paint, just like Paint, just click on it, it will hide. In this is the functionality that if you click on this, it will automatically hide. Here you will see two icons on your screen. First, it is showing 2, that means 2 windows in hide mode. Here you will click on it, it will open the list of application. If you click on activate active window, here active window will see all the windows, list of all the windows you have opened through this application. Till now I have opened only 2, which is minimized. Okay, just cross in it. For if you want to open more application like Facebook, just click on Facebook, it will open Facebook. Just click on Facebook. Here in new window Facebook will be open. You just enter your user ID and password and you can enjoy it. In the main menu, in the 3-bar menu, there are various options. You can maximize it, minimal border, save size and save portion. It is the same thing like in the previous app. Here you can change the opacity, the transparency of this window by selecting this one. If you अगर आप इसको फुल रखेंगे तो आपको पूरा विंडो दिखेगा, अगर आप इसको कम करेंगे तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इसका जो ट्रांसपेरेंसी है वो कम हो जाएगा. If you want to make it on the top, just click on this. It will automatically set on the top side of your screen. Okay, just click on it to minimize. Here it will showing 3 apps, active windows. Okay friends, अगर आप इसको क्लोज करना चाहते हैं तो आप 3 एप्लीकेशन में, जैसे मैंने फेसबुक क्लोज कर दिया, पेंट क्लोज कर दिया, यहाँ पे देखिए अब एक रह गया, मैंने यूट्यूब क्लोज कर दिया और इसको मैंने क्लोज कर दिया. तो इन दिस वे यू कैन ओपन multi application, you can interact with multi application same time. But there is one demerit that you can't open all the application already installed. You have to be bind. You can only open the application listed in these apps. Okay friends, if you like this video, please make it count and like the thumbs up. Okay friends, if you like this video then make it count and आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए. अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप कर लीजिए. there is a one click free subscription link is given in the description. Just click on it, then you will automatically subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you for watching. Welcome.